Okay, my name's Chris Jones and I'm up in Launceston, and I just wanted to introduce you to an application that I've discovered that potentially could be really useful to us teaching access units using Milo. Now, the application I found is called Grader, and it's produced by Desire to Learn, who are the company that run the Milo computer program that we use. It's a learning management system, and this application allows you to access your Milo units using your tablet PC. Now, unfortunately, it is only available, because it's an application, it's only available to people who have tablet PCs of some kind. This is an iPad, but I believe it's also available for people with Android devices. So if you can download this to your tablet PC, then you can use it. If I just pop that open, the company Desire to Learn have made it available. If you create a Desire to Learn Edudentity account, so all you need to do is enter your first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, and sign up. And this allows you then to access Desire to Learn through your tablet. Once you've done that, you need to enter in your normal password and user ID that you use when you enter Milo through the internet, and you should discover that you have the same units available to you through this application that you would ordinarily have available to you through the internet. So you can see here I have available to me all of the access units that I've got on Milo, and I can actually go into these modules and have a look at the drop boxes that are available on each of those modules. So as you can see, last module I was teaching Access 6, and all of the Access 6 drop boxes that were set up are here. And I had a couple of my students just upload a couple of their files so that I could try this out. And I'll just see if I can get them working and show you what you can do. So I asked Yuko, one of my students, to upload a short essay, which she did. She actually put up one of her reflective writings on here, and you can see that this is the cover page of her assignment, and it's available to me as a PDF. I asked her to upload it as a PDF document, and she's done it. And on this side here, over here, you can see that there are a number of tools available to me on the left-hand side that allow me actually to write all over this PDF. And you can see I've already started by saying, oh, this is a nice cover sheet, well done. And on the next page here is her actual assignment. And I've written, what this allows you to do is actually use these tools on the left-hand side to do a number of very useful, very easy things. So I'll just demonstrate a couple of these things. So for a start, you are able to access a number of different types of pens. You can increase and decrease the size, the width of the pen that you're using. You can change the color to anything you like. So I've got a red pen here, and I'm going to use this one just to write, oh, a little arrow, and I'm not sure about that. I think that's a mistake right there. So this is using this tool here. And in addition to being able to do that, you can also use a highlighter. So I've got a yellow highlighter here. You can again change the color to anything you want. And I can just quickly highlight that, highlight this. Oh, that's not right. Oh, I'm not sure about that. Highlighting is very simple to do. Also, underlining is extremely simple. It recognizes where the text is and allows you to just very quickly highlight and underline text in a very, very, very straightforward, very quick manner. Each time you do this, it will save it and record it. You can also strike through. Oh, that's not right there. I'm not sure about that word. That's wrong there. Very, very quick. In addition, and this is the really good thing about it, each of these notations that I've put on here, I can actually explain a little bit more to the students. If I just click on this underline, for example, I've underlined in blue here. If I just click on that, it allows me to add a note to this piece of underlining, and I can say this is incorrect style, perhaps too formal, informal, or whatever. This is incorrect. I'll just leave that. Done. Now what happens is that disappears unless I click on the thing again, and then the note appears. On the student's version, she will actually have that note appear on a second page of the PDF that she will receive, and she'll be able to see a number here which is connected to a number of the notes on the second page, and she'll be able to see that that note, that underlining, is referring to that note, and that she'll be able to read the note and find out what was wrong with this, what was good about it. Perhaps I might note something that she's done really well. So each of these things, the underlining, this one, even this, the little squiggle that I've done, I can add a note and say, fantastic, this is really good, or whatever. And done. And then if I click on that, you can see it says fantastic. That is the note that I've connected with this notation. So all of these things really, really, really quick and really, really good. And as soon as I've done it, it's saved to my account on my tablet here. It hasn't yet gone up to Milo though, but going up to Milo is extremely simple. Up the top here is a sync button, and if I click on that, that will actually upload this document to Milo, where Yuko will then be able to access not only her original submission, but she'll be able to access the PDF of all of my comments and notations, and she'll be able to see all of the things that I recommend that she changes. And it's really, really quick. But it's not the only thing you can do. I'll just bring you out again to the original level, and she actually did submit another assignment to me in the reflective writing part, and I'll just show you the other thing that you can do. Now in this case, she submitted just the standard Word document that most people are submitting, and if that's the case, if they submit a Word document, as you can see over here, I don't know if it's clear enough, but all of the tools that I just pointed out are greyed out. That's because they are not available unless the submission is a PDF. So if the submission is a Word document or something else, then it won't be possible to write all over it like we just did with the pen. However, that doesn't mean that we can't do anything, because if you see up here there's a little arrow, and if I just click on that, it pops open a side panel, and this allows me to do some basic feedback. Even though I don't have the ability to write all over the document, I can give a score out of 50. I can give a score out of what is actually on Milo. So that 50 is what has been put up there by the administrator, who's told Milo how much the score should be for this assignment, and I simply need to put in the score that I'm giving them. And then I can write a quick comment. This is excellent, whatever I want to write there. And even better, if you're a media fan, then you can record an audio comment from yourself. You can say and explain to the student what you think is great about this and what you think they need to change, and record that audio, and then that audio will then be uploaded to Milo when you sync next time. And it's very simple to do, very simple to record. I'll just do it just quickly now. That is recording now. It's recording my voice, and you can see that the timer is counting there. Then I press that again, and now I can either clear that if I didn't like it, if I want to do it, try again, or I can attach the feedback. If I attach feedback, then down the bottom here a little sound file appears. I can view that. If I just click that and then view, now that is recording now. It's recording my voice, and you can see that. And you can hear that that audio is very quickly just recorded there, and it's available to the student to then click on that and to hear that audio rather. And the video is available as well. If you're really crazy and you want to record your video as well as your voice, you can do that with any tablet that has a camera, of course. If I click on that, I can wave at the student. Hello, this is me. I haven't started recording. Now I'm recording. It's recording my voice and what I look like. And this is probably great for distant students who maybe don't know what you look like and maybe would appreciate really personal interaction with their teacher, but for us perhaps it's not necessary. As you can see, I'm just reviewing the video, which is terrible, and it's got my face, so a student can really interact with you in a much more face-to-face way. And these files are both down here now. They're not up on Milo yet because I haven't pressed sync, but as soon as I press sync, those two will go straight up to Milo and will be available to the student to view and download. So you do not have to do that. That is entirely optional. You can simply put the text feedback and the score if you want. Now, those two bits of feedback that I just introduced you to, the score and the video and so on, they are available with the PDF as well. If I just go back to the original document that I was showing you that was PDF, so shortcut to UCO's PDF one. So we're back to the PDF which I wrote all over down here. So this was these tools are back available again, as you can see, so I can continue to write more here. But if I want to, I can also click on that button again. Come here, and I can, in the same way, I can add a comment, I can add a score, I can add a video or an audio comment, and this will appear down here. And as you can see, I've already added an audio in an extra file. Actually, I added another PDF that the student can then view if they want to when they get offline. So this, I think, is going to be fantastically useful to us in terms of marking and giving feedback to our students, and quite visually pleasing. I think the students will really enjoy seeing that very visual method of giving them feedback. So if you have access to a tablet, you might want to try it out. If you do try it out, let me know how it goes and what you think of it. I haven't really used it much myself properly yet, so I'm going to be doing that in the next module when I'm going to be teaching Access 5.